everyone, welcome back to a new video of getassist.net, and in this video I will talk about different ways you can set the privacy of your Facebook photos or how you can hide your Facebook photos from everyone. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Alright, to hide the photos of your Facebook account, what you have to do is you just have to go to your profile first and then scroll down and select the photos option given right here. Now in this section photos of you, you will see the tagged photos, alright, in which you have been tagged by your friends, and then uploads is the section where you will see all the photos that you have uploaded, and albums is the section where your photos have been categorized into albums. Alright, so if you want to hide a particular album, what you have to do is you just have to open it, and then at the top right corner of the screen you will get these three dots that you have to tap, and then tap edit. Now here you can change the privacy of this album by selecting this option friends, and now you can tap see more to get more options, and here you can select only me if you want to make it completely private. Alright, so you have to do this for all the albums that you have uploaded on Facebook, and then you can hide these albums. Alright, now if you want to hide your profile pictures, you have to open the profile picture that you want to hide, and then you have to again tap the menu icon at the top right corner, and from here you have to tap edit privacy. Now here again tap see more, and you will get the option only me to hide your profile picture. So to change the privacy of a profile picture, you have to do it for every profile picture. Alright, you cannot do it for the entire album. And now if you want to hide the photos in which you are tagged, what you have to do is you have to go back and then tap the menu icon again, and now tap settings. Here you will see one option that says profile and tagging. So as you can see here, it's written that who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile. So currently it is set to friends of friends, and if you want to hide it completely, you can simply set it to only me. Alright, so that's how you can hide your tagged photos on Facebook. So that's how you can hide all your photos on Facebook and make them visible again whenever you want. But remember that your current profile picture will always remain visible to public. For all your queries, feedback or suggestions, you can reach out to the comment box below, and I will be back soon with my next video.